backcountry action.
Climbing next to Keystone, there's another helicopter down there. My bike. Oh, look at that. I get to be there, see? Watch the views on the camera later because I'm watching the trail now. Brake bumps, so yeah, okay. Didn't touch it again, just center of weight. That's crazy. Oh, look at that. I get to be there, see? Watch the views on the camera later because I'm watching the trail now. Brake bumps, so yeah, okay. Didn't touch it again, just center of weight. That's crazy. I just climbed up West Ridge. Now I'm doing a section of Colorado Trail. Should be pretty awesome. That's why you come here, right? Loose. Still my climbing gear. So loose. Switchy. Oh, okay, drop the post. And that's rooted out. Jesus Christ. I like having the foot out on those, it's just easier. Didn't even touch it again, but shifting the weight. Oh, look at that. I could view there, see? Watch the views on my camera later because I'm watching the trail now. Brake bumps, so yeah, okay. Ready. And push again, just center of weight. That's crazy. Well, I earned this view, and I'm gonna stop and take it in. This is amazing. There's Quandary. Ah, nice. Sagey. Hey, thanks a bunch. I appreciate it. Have a great hike. Oh, we're at a junction. Colorado Trail, heading on the Red Trail. Cuts across here, a bit up, and then it sails down to Soda Creek, and then Soda Creek's kind of a flat trail back to our place. Dirt seems a little better over here too. Oh, there is dirt maybe. Thank you. I think I get some alpine riding on this side. There is. This is called the Red Trail. People really like it. Kind of see why so far. Chewy. Burrow. Oh, yeah. Put some air in my tire or something. Muddy. You might have a flat. Fuck. Definitely have a flat. Nope, didn't work. God damn it.
Thank you.